Boost your income, promoting brands online. In an era where financial stability is increasingly elusive, finding alternative sources of income has become more than just a trend. It's a survival tactic. Today, we live in an economy where the cost of living outpaces salary growth, making it harder for many people to make ends meet. This economic reality underscores the importance of having an additional income stream, and becoming a brand ambassador online could be your golden ticket. Brand ambassadorship is a potent strategy that allows you to earn money while promoting brands you love. Learning from an expert can significantly fast-track your success. In a world that's increasingly moving online, becoming a brand ambassador offers an exciting opportunity to earn extra income while doing something you love. With guidance from an expert, you can navigate this journey more efficiently, learning from their experiences and leveraging their insights. With expert guidance, practical tips, and a transparent approach, you can navigate this path more effectively and possibly turn your passion into a serious paycheck. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, don't shy away from this opportunity because you're starting from scratch. Embrace the learning process, stay committed, and soon, you might find yourself earning money by promoting brands online. Jump in, learn, grow, and start earning now.